name is Zaki Taufikul Abrar.
My name is Tigor Aquilino.
We are from 10 TKG6 SMK Kuangan Pekanbaru.
We will have a perfect conversation.
The conversation is about subject on next semester. Hi Kim, how how about our new semester subject?
Yeah, on Monday we'll get to voice.
Really, who is the teacher?
Don't you know Harry? We will be taught by Mr. Rashidson, who is the grandest teacher in the school, and if he give us assessment, it must be turned in 2 days before the class.
Wow, you really scared me.
Not just about that. Now you what? We will we will be asked to we will be asked make a presentation related to explanation the sound script ya.
Thank you, Kim. Now, uh, take the positive sides. We'll, we will be, we will be, uh,
Fitness and fun.
it, it will be, it will be much fun with grouping method. Just we can sharing our opinion and ideas.
Yet I say,
Thank you for watching this video.
don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe this video.
Goodbye.
Bye.